Alrighty, so this do now activity is something that you guys have learned in a previous session, so it shouldn't be difficult for you guys to do, which is why I'm just going to quickly go through the solution. So there's two ways to solve this one. You can either use the solve function, which is what's shown on the next slide of this lesson. So to do so, you're just going to go into your solve function, you're going to type the equation. Just as it is, remembering to include the comma and y, that means we're solving for y, and you'll end up with an answer of y equals 3x plus 1. I am going to also show you guys how to do this by hand though, because we need to be able to do them by hand as well. So to do this, since we're solving for y, we're trying to get y by itself. So the very first thing we're going to do is get rid of this multiply by 2 out here. So we're going to get rid of that by dividing both sides by 2. And what will be remaining on the left-hand side is just our y take 1 equals, and then on the right-hand side we've got 6x divided by 2, which is 3x. Now to get that y by itself, which is our goal, we just need to get rid of that take 1. So we're going to add 1 to both sides, which will give us a result of y equals 3x plus 1, which as you can see is exactly the same as the solution we get using the solve function.